All right, how you guys doing this morning, this afternoon, or this evening, wherever you are? We're going to take a look at functions that are even, odd, or neither, and this time we're going to take a look at the odd example. So make sure you've got a pen and paper ready, because here we go with our first and only example for this type of function. So here in this example, we're going to determine if function's even, odd, or neither, justifying our answer. And our function that we're going to start out with is f of x equals 4x cubed minus x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace x with negative x. When we do that, when we find f of negative x, we're going to have 4 times the quantity negative x cubed minus negative x. Now you have to be really careful here. Make sure you put parentheses around anywhere you're substituting that negative x, because that's where a lot of people will make a mistake. Now make sure you do your arithmetic correctly and your algebra correctly, and you should end up with f of negative x equals negative 4x cubed plus x. Now notice, if you compare that to the original function, f of x equals 4x cubed minus x, every single thing, every term is the exact opposite. 4x cubed is the opposite of negative 4x cubed. The opposite of subtracting x is adding x. So now we have to do one more thing here. We've got to take the opposite of the original function. So the opposite of f of x is just switching those two signs. So we're going to have negative 4x cubed plus x. Now to justify this type of problem, we're going to write the following type of sentence. Since f of negative x equals negative f of x is an odd function. So that's all you have to do. The same thing is pretty much finding an even function. You substitute in negative x, you compare, and then you justify. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. Peace.